Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Boaji, civil engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30 years. Now I am discuss labor rates for defined items of building work. Labor rates for defined items of building work. You are also check the latest modified PWD, CPWD schedule of rate chart. Latest modified PWD, CPWD schedule of rate chart. Now I discuss for building work or description of items. Description of items. Number one, earthwork in excavation in foundation trenches. Earthwork in excavation in foundation trenches. Rate per CFT or rate per cubic meter. Rate per CFT or rate per cubic meter. Earthwork in filling. Number two, earthwork in filling. Rate per CFT or per cubic meter. Per CFT or per cubic meter. Number three, big flat shoring in foundation on floor. Big flat shoring in foundation or floor. Per square foot rate, per square meter rate, per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Number four, lime concrete in foundation or floor. Lime concrete in foundation or floor. Per square foot rate, per square meter rate, per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Number five, cement concrete up to 15 centimeter. Cement concrete for foundation up to 15 centimeter. Per square foot rate, per square meter rate, per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Number six, RCC concrete in foundation per CFT rate or per cubic meter rate. RCC concrete in foundation per CFT rate per cubic meter rate. Number seven, brickwork in cement mortar in foundation and plinth. Brickwork in cement mortar in foundation and plinth. Per CFT rate per cubic meter rate. Per CFT rate per cubic meter rate. Number eight, brickwork in cement mortar in superstructure solid measurement. Brickwork in cement mortar in superstructure solid measurement. Per CFT rate per cubic meter rate. Per CFT rate per cubic meter rate. Number nine, 10 centimeter or 5 inch or 3 inch brickwork solid measurement. 10 centimeter or 5 inch or 3 inch brickwork solid measurement per square foot rate per square meter rate. Per square foot rate per square meter rate. Number 10, extra charge for each upper floor for item number required per unit rate per unit rate, additional rate per unit rate. Upper floor from item number required in cement mortar. Number 11, 2.5 centimeter thick damp proof post. 2.5 centimeter thick damp proof post per square foot rate per square meter rate. Number 12, fixing door and window frame with brickwork. Labor rate for casting RCC member including supplying timber planks only, for shuttering and labor for binding and placing. Per piece rate. Fitting door or window frames with brickwork. Fixing door and window frames with brickwork. Labor rate for casting RCC members include supplying timber planks only, for shuttering and labor for binding and placing. Per piece rate. Reinforcement in position and casting the concrete, excluding hire of mixer machine. Reinforcement in position and casting the concrete, excluding hire of mixer machine and vibrators. Number 13, casting RC cylinder. Casting RC cylinder per running foot rate, per running foot rate, per running meter rate, per running meter rate. Casting for beam per running foot rate, per running meter rate. Casting for beam. Casting for slab per square foot rate, per square meter rate, per square foot rate, per square meter. Casting for column per running foot rate, per running meter rate. Casting for slab cantilever per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Casting for jaffrey per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Sand cement plaster to ceiling per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Sand cement plaster to ceiling per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Sand cement plaster to outside wall, solid measurement, per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Sand cement plaster to inside wall, per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Sand cement plaster for beam column per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Sand cement plaster charges with both sides complete per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Mixing water deep Dutch. Mixing water deep Dutch per running foot rate, per running meter rate. Lime panning to ceiling. Lime panning to ceiling per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Lime panning to wall, solid measurement, per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Extra for item number for each floor. Item number in previous. Extra for item number in previous item for upper floor, per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Pattern stone floor. Pattern stone floor per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Per square foot rate, per square meter rate. For each upper floor, extra overrate of item in previous pattern stone floor, per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Step neat cement complete. Step neat cement complete per running foot, per running meter rate. Dado neat cement finish. Dado neat cement finish per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Tiles fixing and finishing first floor per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Cast in situ terrazzo mosaic floor per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Cast in situ terrazzo mosaic dado floor per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Cast in situ mosaic for steps, etc. per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Step brickwork and plaster. Step brickwork and plaster per running foot rate, per running meter rate. Step brickwork and plaster per running foot rate, per running meter rate. Plinth step brickwork and plaster. Plinth step brickwork and plaster per running foot rate, per running meter rate. Plinth step brickwork and plaster per running foot rate, per running meter rate. 10 centimeter thick roof terracing, 10 centimeter thick roof terracing, per square foot rate, per square meter, per square foot rate, per square meter. Extra over for item number roof terracing for each additional story, per square foot rate, per square meter. Clearing the surface and whitewash per coat. Clearing the surface and whitewash per coat, per square foot rate, per square meter. Color washing per coat including cleaning wall surface. Color washing per coat including cleaning wall surface, per square foot rate, per square meter. Snow shame per coat including cleaning. Snow shame per coat including cleaning, per square foot rate, per square meter. Distempering per coat, per square foot rate, per square meter. Cement priming per coat, per square foot rate, per square meter. Plastic paint per coat, plastic paint per coat, per square foot rate, per square meter. Enamel painting per coat, enamel painting per coat, square foot rate, square meter rate per. Oil painting per coat, per square foot rate, per square meter rate. Labor charges for plumbing work. Labor charges for plumbing work. Handling and fixing 100 mm dia CI rainwater pipe per running foot rate, per running meter. Handling and fixing 100 mm dia CI rainwater pipe per running foot rate, per running meter rate. Handling and fixing CI junction each rate, per piece rate. Handling and fixing 100 mm dia CI rainwater pipe junction per piece. Handling and fixing 100 mm dia HCI pipe per running foot, per running meter. 100 mm dia HCI pipe per running foot, per running meter. Handling and fixing 100 mm HCI pipe junction per piece. 100 mm dia HCI junction pipe per piece rate. Handling and fixing 100 mm dia HCI pipe trap per piece rate. Handling and fixing 100 mm dia HCI pipe trap per piece rate, per piece rate. You are also check the PWD and CPWD latest rate chart for analysis purpose. Now I finished my video. All are requested, if you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you. Bye.